Hello guys, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add folders to start menu for easy access in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. Now I'm going to Windows. Here you can see my start menu is empty. There has no much folders. If you want to add folders in this start menu, so first of all, you have to go to your settings. Now click on personalization. Click on start. Here you can see folders. Click on it. Now you can see here different options to add folders in your start menu. You can choose your folders whatever you want. I want to choose Download, File Explorer, Picture and Videos. So now let's check the folders. Go to Windows. Here you can see I have added all the folders which I want. So this is how you can add folders in your start menu to easy access. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.